you understand me?
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Get up.
Rude.
I want to see as little of you as possible. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Mrs. Waterford. He is my husband. Until death do us part. Don't get any ideas. If I get trouble, believe me, I will give trouble back.
Oh, and trouble she did give back, didn't she? Oh, I've not seen this since it aired. Okay, that's yeah, wow. That's a lot of that's tough.
When did you know Serena was horrible?
On that day, I knew that she was horrible. I've always had sympathy for her because I have to, because I'm playing her, which is awful and weird and it always made me feel weird, but I have to sympathize with her somehow. I mean, I was coming at it from the angle of Serena had been cheated on before. So Fred had already cheated on her with the previous handmaid and something had gone down. So there was already, that's why she was coming at it from that angle.
You will stay here, and you will not leave this room. Do you understand me?
Do you understand me?
Yes, Mrs. Waterford.
Things can get much worse for you.
It's so weird watching it back. That was kind of a moment where I think it was the first take. And I said I just wanted to try something different because originally I was going to say that line at the door. Nobody knew that I was going to come down into her face on the floor. So I just tried it. I said, I warned them I was going to try something, but they didn't know what. And then I did that. And then it ended up being the take. The one that they used, I think.
Did you scare yourself in that scene?
A little bit, yeah. I remember the first season was very weird, finding her throughout the season and finding such an awful character and playing that. Now it's kind of, I'm used to it and it's kind of fun in a weird way to, really play. But back then it was a lot of getting used to the kinds of things we were portraying and how full on it is. It's an incredibly full on show.
When fans would run into you that first season, were people frightened of you?
I do get told a lot that for people who know me, that people ask them, is she like that in real life? And I'm like, I don't know, maybe they say behind my back that I am, but
Does Elizabeth get scared of you in those scenes? I would. I just want you to know that.
no. No, we have too much fun. We love getting to do scenes together. 5
words to describe Serena in season 5.
I think I give you one really good word, unhinged.
When has she not been unhinged? Oh, so more so.
Well, I guess then there's something to look forward to.
How do you want Handmaids to end? As Yvonne, not as Serena?
Selfishly, it'd be really fun if we, all escaped to Hawaii, which is the lost America, and we got to shoot in Hawaii for the last season so that we can go to the beach every day and just surf in between scenes.
You want June and Serena to go to Hawaii?
Sure, why not?
It's a happy ending. How would Serena want it to end?
Oh, she'd kill everyone, wouldn't she? Well, I don't know. It feels like I can't say anything because I'm going to give away too many things.